Have you ever stared at your closet and figured, I don't have anything to wear? And yet my closet is full of things. Today's video, we are going to get into the details of why you hate your closet. Do you hate it? Do you feel like you don't have enough? If you've ever felt any of this, that's because your brain has been hacked. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fight back, how to gain back your control of loving your wardrobe. Just a system that has been created to make you think that you don't have enough for you to wear, okay? Why you feel overwhelmed, manipulated, constantly behind trends. I'm going to share with you 3 science-backed systems to fight back. The first reason why you don't have anything to wear in your closet is decision fatigue. Let's start with your brain. Every day you make about 35,000 decisions in a day. So by around 9:30, your brain is already in overtime. Can you imagine adding an outfit choice on top of that? It can be a lot for you. Decision fatigue means your willpower drains with every decision or every choice you make. It's like a phone battery, but now for the brain. Every time you use it, it drains and drains and drains until it becomes empty. Most people change their outfits 2 to 3 times a day, especially in the morning. If you're very not decisive, you might, scrap through your clothing for a long while. Even changing your outfit like twice and putting on this and feeling, no, I don't like this every morning. These are just more decisions for your brain to make. You end up settling for something you're not comfortable with, or you end up regretting during the day. Even a shoe can ruin your day. Just the shoe you choose to pick in the morning decides, today I'm just not going to make you comfortable. Okay, you may have more important decisions to make during your day. We just don't want your clothing choices to be one of them. So we're going to fix this using 3 systems. Number 1, have your go-to look for those days that you don't feel like you want to make a decision, or those days that you feel like your energy is a bit low. If you can have a go-to look for such days, it will always be easier for you to choose an outfit on such a day. A simple outfit that you can put together fast without even having to make a decision, having it like your go-to look for those days. Brilliant. Think of someone like Steve Jobs. We know that he liked turtleneck. Think of it in that way. Pick 5 core pieces of your closet that you love and then repeat them. Choose your outfits the night before. This is like the easiest way you can think of. When you wake up in the morning, it's going to be very easy for you to put together the outfit. You'll save your 35,000 decisions for more critical decisions you have to make for the day. But even with fewer decisions, your closet can still trip you up. What if I told you more choices make you miserable? There's something called paradox of choice. More options actually create more stress. So what happens when you face 50 items in your closet? How does it feel picking from all that choice? Does more variety actually help you, or does it paralyze you? I just want you to think about this. It's your closet and you encounter it every single day. So think about this. Does the more options actually help you out, or do they just paralyze you? Here's how you're going to fix that. All right? Number 1, you're going to dump your clothes on the bed, on the surface, on the couch, wherever you want to dump them, okay? Or place them, sorry. Go through them. First, we're going to pick out the things you have not worn for the last 6 months. The things that we're actually going to have them remaining are those that only sparks joy. If it's something that accrues value with time, great, then continue storing it for when the value just shoots higher. All right? But if something is not accruing value with time and you're not wearing it as often as you would like, or maybe you bought it for a certain occasion which has never happened, I consider donating that item. All right? We're all doing this just to reduce the paralysis of choice that we have to make each and every single day. We are going to build a capsule wardrobe. Pieces are the most basic and classic. You won't look basic just because you wear a capsule wardrobe. It'll be easier for you to put together an outfit every single day, because the things you have in your wardrobe tend to go with each other effortlessly without thinking much about it. They can easily go together. It's a versatile wardrobe. This is most likely great for someone who has a lot of indecision and struggles to put together an outfit every single time, whether it's an event, whether it's work, whether they're going out. Capsule wardrobe will definitely sort you out. But even if you simplify, something else is still manipulating your choices. Fast fashion brands drop around 500 to 1,000 styles every day. Can you imagine? They just create a loop where you always feel like you have to catch up with the trend. It's always something new dropping, a new style, a new bag, a new fabric, a new style of shoe. Have you ever felt a weird pressure to buy something even if you knew for a fact you don't need it, but you just felt inside of you that I have to have this. These are all marketing campaigns, and they want you to feel behind and left out. You buy, and now you hate everything. Nothing now pleases you in your closet. How do you fix that? One, you have to unfollow those brands. Come on. You followed like 10 brands already. These brands are always dropping outfits. You won't get everything. This will just stress you out. So I want you to unfollow those brands that are always feeling you left out every single day. I want you to set a monthly budget for trends. I'm only talking about the trends and the fast fashion. But if something is classic, it's timeless, go for it, babe. Set yourself apart not to fall into those tricks. So you can say, I'm only buying 2 things per month that are trending. My budget for trending items is only 2 items. And sticking with that budget is going to be hard at first, but as time goes by, it's going to be easier for you. When you buy something, ask yourself, will I wear this in the next 3 months? Unless it's for a wedding that's way far away. But how often do I see myself wearing this? Am I buying this because of me or because of pressure? It could be pressure from social media. It could be pressure from the salesperson. So you have to ask yourself this: do I really like this enough to wear it weekly? Even if you won't, if all those answers will be yes, then babe, go ahead and buy the stuff. No one said buying is bad. Just buying things that you don't wear is what we don't want. So now you know where your brain hits your closet. The good thing is you can always rewire your brain to love your closet. So in the next video, I'm going to be talking about how to detox your closet so that you can fall in love again.